at some moment, the understanding came that there are no Hebrew culture and Yiddish culture. This is Jewish culture. And since I was very interested in my academic part of studies, in the culture, every aspect of culture of first Lithuanian, after that Eastern European, and after that European Jewry. And the books I worked with just enriched that interest and all motivated that interest. What are all those abbreviations? Why it is so in Yiddish book and not so in Hebrew, and so on and so forth. Finally, I understood the elementary thing that Yiddish is the basis of that, not Hebrew. But the convergence of Hebrew and Yiddish is a linguistic basis of that culture. And Yiddish in itself is just an, operational language of the system. Because even Hebraists conversed in Hebrew. The main Zionist newspaper of Kaunas, long-lived newspaper, was published in Yiddish. And of course, academic studies helped, everything helped to form that picture that you just can't ignore Yiddish. No, not that I tried to. Maybe in the very beginning when I came here and I had that huge amount of Hebrew books and I was had no time for Yiddish in every meaning. But it just changed. For now, I still don't speak Yiddish, but my regard of Yiddish just so huge, so Yiddish is indispensable, of course, as everybody knows.